All right, I'm really bad at this freestyle stuff, so I'm much better if I have something written down or some type of script, but I'm gonna try and make this fast. This these two pieces are the main pieces to the hinge. They both act as a hinge. This is the mechanical hinge that adds resistance, and this is where the screen ribbon gets fed through on the other side of the hinge. Now, some of you are complaining that the left side of the XD is loose and rattles. Now, I just want to show you guys that it really doesn't matter. It's not going to add any vulnerabilities to the device itself. It's just, well, let me show you. This is the hinge. This is the mechanical part. Like I said, this is the part that adds the resistance. On this side, the little tube is in between the two plastic case parts. Now, like I said, that is where you pass the screen ribbon through. Now, the problem you guys are having is that this part seems loose. Now, as I stated before, it doesn't matter. You can probably add a little piece of tape. I've added it to another one and it seemed to do the trick, but it's going to be a hassle for you to do it. You're going to have to put the piece of tape in there to kind of close the gap. I guess, let me show you the gap. Okay. So it goes in here, and what causes that looseness or that rattling is the fact that this metal piece is just a tad smaller than the slot that it goes into on both sides. This is on the screen, and let me get another case piece. There we go. And that's on this side here. So again, it's a little bit smaller than the slot piece. Now, I keep telling you guys it really doesn't matter. It's more of a case of just annoying you than it actually causing any problems. It's not going to cause any problems. You're just going to have to get used to the rattling. Now, if you want, like I said, you can add a piece of tape to the hinge piece right here. That's what I did. Something like this. This piece of tape has lost its stickiness. You put it in here and push it in. Make sure this piece stays down like that. And you put it into the slot. Now, you could do a better job of that. I just did it to show you guys what you can do. But there's no more rattle. Only problem is you're probably going to have a little bit of a harder time feeding that ribbon cable through it again. So in order to do that, you're going to have to first remove the cable, remove the metal piece, put the tape on, then put it back into place, and then slide the ribbon through it again.